In a world grappling with a growing waste crisis, the shift from viewing trash as a burden to recognizing it as a valuable resource is more crucial than ever. In this video, from landfills to greenfields, how trash is becoming the resource of the future, we delve into innovative strategies and technologies that are transforming waste into sustainable solutions. From waste to energy technologies to harnessing landfill gas and converting plastic into fuel, we will explore how cities and industries are reimagining waste management. Join us as we uncover how recycling, biogas, and new construction methods are paving the way towards a cleaner, greener future. 1. The global waste crisis. Every year, the world produces over 2 billion tons of waste. This massive amount of trash often finds its way into landfills, where it not only takes up valuable space but also poses a significant environmental threat. Landfills contribute to pollution and are a major source of methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas that exacerbates climate change. The traditional linear economy, where products are made, used, and then discarded, has proven to be unsustainable. However, a shift is occurring as we begin to see waste not as a problem but as an untapped resource. This transformation is paving the way for a more sustainable future, where waste is minimized and resources are maximized. 2. Waste to energy technologies. Waste to energy, WTE, technologies are at the forefront of this transformation. These technologies convert non-recyclable waste into usable forms of energy, such as electricity or heat. By burning trash, waste-to-energy plants reduce the volume of waste that ends up in landfills while also generating power for millions of homes around the world. This process not only helps in managing waste but also contributes to energy production, making it a win-win solution. Although concerns about emissions from these plants exist, advances in technology have significantly reduced their environmental impact, making them a cleaner option compared to traditional waste disposal methods. 3. Harnessing landfill gas. Landfills are notorious for emitting methane, but what if this potent greenhouse gas could be captured and used? That's exactly what's happening with landfill gas to energy projects. Methane emissions from decomposing waste are collected and converted into renewable energy sources, such as electricity and heat. This not only prevents methane from escaping into the atmosphere but also provides a sustainable energy solution. It's a prime example of turning a problem into a resource, demonstrating the potential of innovative waste management practices to contribute to a greener future. 4. Transforming plastic waste into fuel. Plastic waste is one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. However, some companies are developing technologies to convert plastic waste into valuable fuels like diesel and aviation fuel. This process involves breaking down plastics into their chemical components, which can then be reconstituted into high-quality fuels. By turning plastic waste into fuel, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels while also addressing the growing problem of plastic pollution. This innovative approach highlights the potential of technology to turn one of our biggest waste problems into a valuable resource. 5. Biogas from food waste. Food waste is another area where innovative solutions are making a difference. Instead of ending up in landfills, food waste can be converted into biogas through a process called anaerobic digestion. This biogas can then be used for cooking, heating, and even electricity generation. By capturing the energy potential of food waste, we can reduce landfill emissions and provide a renewable energy source. This not only helps in managing waste but also supports energy sustainability, showcasing the potential of a circular economy. 6. Recycling. More than just a buzzword, recycling has long been touted as a solution to waste management, and for good reason. Recycled materials like aluminum, glass, and paper significantly reduce the demand for raw resources. By reusing these materials, we conserve energy, reduce emissions, and lessen the environmental impact of mining and manufacturing new products. Recycling is a key component of the circular economy, ensuring that resources are continually cycled through the economy rather than being discarded. It's a simple yet effective way to turn waste into a valuable resource. 7. Recovering precious metals from e-waste. the rapid advancement of technology has led to a surge in electronic waste, or e-waste. However, e-waste is not just junk, it's a treasure trove of precious metals like gold, silver, and copper. Through e-waste recycling, these valuable materials can be recovered and reused, reducing the need for harmful mining practices. This not only conserves natural resources but also minimizes the environmental impact of electronic waste. E-waste recycling is a shining example of how waste can be transformed into a valuable resource, contributing to a more sustainable economy. 8. Zero-waste cities. Cities around the world are adopting zero-waste policies, aiming to divert 90% or more of their waste from landfills through recycling, composting, and other sustainable practices. These cities are leading the way in waste management innovation, showing that it's possible to live sustainably in an urban environment. By prioritizing waste reduction and resource recovery, zero-waste cities set a benchmark for others to follow. They demonstrate that with the right policies and community engagement, we can significantly reduce our environmental impact and move toward a more sustainable future. 9. Innovations in construction waste. The construction industry is notorious for generating a significant amount of waste. However, innovative solutions are emerging to repurpose construction waste into new building materials. For instance, bricks made from recycled plastic or concrete from demolished structures are now being used in construction projects. This not only reduces the demand for new raw materials but also diverts waste from landfills. By turning construction waste into a valuable resource, we can build more sustainably and reduce the environmental impact of the construction industry. 10. Fashion from waste. In a world where fashion trends change rapidly, the fashion industry generates a considerable amount of waste. However, some forward-thinking companies are turning waste into fashion by creating clothing and accessories from discarded plastic bottles, fishing nets, and textiles. This not only gives new life to materials that would otherwise end up in landfills but also promotes sustainable fashion practices. By embracing waste as a resource, the fashion industry can reduce its environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. The concept of trash is rapidly evolving, and with the right technologies and policies, we can turn waste into a powerful asset. By rethinking how we produce, consume, and dispose of materials, we can reduce environmental harm, create economic opportunities, and move toward a more sustainable future. The transformation from landfills to greenfields is no longer just an idea, it's happening now, and it's reshaping the world.